In this video, I'm gonna teach you about the tuples in Python. So tuples and list are same, but the main difference between tuples and list is once we create a tuple, then we can't change any index value of tuple, but we can change index values of the list. So this is the main difference between tuple and list. Over here, I'm gonna say my tuple. You can give any name to your tuple, and the syntax of tuple is opening and closing parentheses, and inside these parentheses you can declare your value. So I'm gonna say Parker, and let's say Naveed, and one more Khalid. Now I wanna change Naveed to Zia, so I'm gonna say my tuple square brackets, and the index of Naveed is 1, and let's say Zia. So now I'm gonna print my tuple, so my tuple, and now if we run our program we will get an error. So let's see. You can see, so once we created tuple, then we can't change any index value of the tuple. So this is the difference between tuple and list. So I hope now your concept would be clear about tuples. If you have any problem, let me know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.